Oh, hi, welcome. We're having Friendsgiving upstairs. You guys must be hungry. Come on in. So good. Hey guys.
Hey.
Are you guys ready to start cooking?
Oh, we're ready.
Let's get started.
Hey everyone, welcome to Entro's Thanksgiving. My name is Grace.
And I'm Jessica.
And I'm Miranda.
And the holidays are approaching very fast, you guys. And nothing is more important than friends and family. So today we are here to show you guys a secret family recipe.
Y'all, not just any secret recipe, this is Linda's homemade sweet potato casserole.
So you may be wondering, who's Linda?
Who is she?
Who is she? She's actually my mom. She's probably watching right now from Georgia.
Hey Linda!
Hey Mom!
So let's get started. I'm going to show y'all what you'll be needing today. So we're gonna start with flour, pecans, brown sugar, and most importantly, the potatoes, and marshmallows if you're feeling festive.
And for the wet ingredients, we're gonna need some butter, eggs, and vanilla.
Yep, and a couple of kitchen tools that you guys are going to need are a variety of mixing bowls, a potato smasher, a whisk or a blender, and some measuring cups.
I think that is all, so let's get started.
Let's get started.
Let's get cooking good looking. Alright guys, there are two parts to this recipe. The first part is going to be a warm, yummy filling. And then the second part, our favorite, is going to be this sweet, crumbly topping.
So excited.
Yes. So we're actually going to get started on the filling first. Grace here is going to mash 4 to 5 baked sweet potatoes. You can boil them, microwave them. I prefer baked because it keeps that warm flavor in and they just get really sweet and gooey. They're so delicious.
Yummy.
Yes. Miranda and I will work on the rest of the filling. You're going to need to beat 2 eggs.
I'm gonna get to whisking.
Yes, and then no recipe is complete without butter, so I'm gonna get this melted for you guys.
Speaking of Thanksgiving dishes and foods, what are some of y'all's favorites?
Ooh, well, you know this sweet potato casserole is one of my favorite, and then I'm a really big fan of deviled eggs.
Ooh, that sounds so good. I'm such a sides person. I love broccoli rice casserole and green bean casserole. My favorite is mashed potatoes. I am so excited for those.
Mashed potatoes.
All right, y'all, the main star of the show is finished.
That looks so
gosh.
good, Grace.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
Professional masher.
All right, let's get this filling all mixed up and complete. First, we're going to add the 2 beaten eggs, and then we're going to add the cup of butter. And then I'm also going to add a cup of brown sugar, but if you notice, I put a little extra to make it sweet. And then a dash or a teaspoon of vanilla extract.
So in the spirit of Thanksgiving, what are you guys thankful for?
I'm most thankful for my family. All my family's back in Texas, but I'm so thankful I get to go and visit them often and see them all the time, and I get so happy when I'm with them.
Oh, that's so sweet, Miranda.
That is so sweet.
I am thankful for our amazing customers, getting to know them and their small businesses, and just creating a relationship. We have some awesome customers.
Especially during this hard time, they still come out to shows and come visit us, so we are so thankful for them.
And for me, I'm thankful for good health. I feel like with everything going on this year, it really made me appreciate and realize how important good health is.
That's so true. All right, so I think we have this all mixed up, so we can fill up our casserole dish. So Grace is gonna get started with chopping up a generous cup of pecans. I always like to do a little extra. And then we do another cup of brown sugar. And then there's also a cup of melted butter. Again, we love the butter here. And 1/3 cup of flour. And that's gonna give a really good consistency to that topping. All right, so we are going to mix the dry ingredients first.
All done mixing.
Okay, so next we are going to take this and we are going to put it over the top and crumble it, and it's just going to be so good. All right, and then we're just gonna sprinkle it on there. A fun tip, if you're a big cinnamon fan, I love to add a dash of cinnamon to this topping. So we are gonna pop this baby at a preheated 350 into the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. You guys!
It smells amazing.
Oh my gosh, it
so
smells
pretty.
like heaven.
So I don't know about you guys, but I'm team marshmallow. How about you, Miranda?
Team marshmallow for sure.
Not a fan of the marshmallows over here, but we're gonna make it to where we can each have our own preference on here. Team marshmallow. So cute.
It is so cute. It's a lot of marshmallows.
Oh my gosh. All right, you guys, let's toast these marshmallows.
We're almost done.
Yes, last 10 minutes, we put this in the oven and we toast it up. You guys, it's ready.
Oh my gosh, that looks so yummy.
It looks so delicious.
Smells so good.
Y'all have to try this at home, guys.
Yes, tag us if you've made this recipe.
Thank y'all so much for supporting us this year, and we hope y'all have the best 2021. We love y'all.
We love you.
Oh my gosh.
You guys,
It tastes like Thanksgiving.
We did a good job.
yes. Oh my gosh, yes. So good.